New Mexico, think of UFOs, and we have just seen a UFO sighting. We're being invaded.
This place is pretty cool, Santa Fe, New Mexico. It's an amazing city to explore on two wheels. It is one of the art meccas in the United States. You just can't ride your bike around and not notice it.
We are riding on the famous Canyon Road. There are about 300 galleries in Santa Fe.
But it's not just about the art here.
There are many bike trails here. We're gonna hit a few, the rail trail and the Santa Fe River Trail. They don't have a bike share program here, so we're gonna have to rent bikes from a bike shop. There's more of a mountain bike culture here in Santa Fe.
Seems like downtown, there's not a good bike lane system.
Yeah, along downtown there's a Santa Fe River Trail. It does run like parallel to the plaza. There's like beautiful riding, it's just not right here in town.
Come in April, and it's very cool, so it's very pleasant to ride your bike. The problem that I find, I'm from the East Coast, that it's very dry here, so your mouth feels like you have a lot of cotton balls in, your lips chap, so bring plenty of water and chapstick, and of course sunscreen, because you are mostly exposed to the sun. Now the first part of this rail trail is suburban, and then there's going to be a certain point where it's going to turn to gravel. What? What's this?
There's no light.
And there's no indication of any walkway. A lot of things wrong here. So we just have to play chicken here and head out and hope to God they're going to stop. Yeah. Look at this guy. The rail trail ends and we're trying to make our way downtown Santa Fe. But in order for us to go from one trail to another trail, we have to ride on the road. See, the trail is very narrow and you're sharing it with pedestrians. We've come to the famous Loretto Church. This church has been on Unsolved Mysteries.
Tonight, all new stories.
According to a legend, a mysterious man came to an unfinished chapel after the Sisters of Loretto prayed for 9 days to help complete the project. The man came in and built these miraculous stairs. And the reason why they're miraculous is because he built them with simple tools and there is no center support beam, and he vanished after he built the stairs. If you have any information about this man, please contact this church.
There's a lizard coming out of that building. Very strange creature. I think it came out of that UFO. Okay, so we are gonna ride our bikes to this really cool place. It is an art interactive experience. So what do you get when you mix Alice in Wonderland and LSD together? Meow Wolf.
It's just an ordinary house. Or is it?
I've never been on drugs, but I bet you this is what it feels like. Oh, help, help! This is the end of the Santa Fe Trail, 1822 to 1879. This was the major highway all the way to Missouri. All the covered wagons back and forth, and this is where it ended. They do have a chocolate trail here that you can follow. Old-fashioned recipe, right?
Is Santa Fe a bicycle-friendly community? I would say not yet. At least the downtown area. I did not feel safe bicycle riding downtown in the area that most people would like to visit when they come here. Some areas did not even have designated crosswalks across some busy streets. But that should not deter you from coming and visiting this really different city of Gothic cathedrals, Chile-infused cuisine, Spanish-influenced architecture, and the profound emphasis of arts in this city. Hope to see you riding in Santa Fe.